WHG, what do you have for us tonight? Bro, are you kidding me? Okay, where is that? Oh my god, double header.
PM Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Silver Hill or over Robertsdale, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh my god. What is this? So first, an LAE, and then a tornado warning. What is this?